You see, if you try to detox your body, or you try increase your energy, or even work on your skin, that juice here are gonna be the perfect juice for you. Because you see when you juice all of them ingredients here and combine them together, you're gonna get beta carotene, you're gonna get folate acid, vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and many more. Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. Well, you see, today I'm gonna make a juice with beetroot and apple, and then I'm gonna drop a couple sticks of celery inside it just to enhance the taste even more. But you see, before we even move forward in the video, make sure so you click that subscribe button for a regular healthy video from FadaGugs that will nourish and heal the body. So now let's just start the process of making that nice and healthy juice. So the first thing, as usual, make sure say you wash your ingredients them. Make sure say your hands clean. If you want, you can use a gloves for the beetroot, because you know the beetroot are gonna stain up your hand. So the first thing what we need to do, we need to prepare all of the ingredients them in order to put them in the juicer. So what I'm gonna just rest them to the side and just move the chopping board out of the way. I'm gonna add 3 nice sized celery sticks to this juice. And you see celery, the celery is a great source of important antioxidant. Celery, it can also reduce inflammation. The celery can support our digestion. And you see celery, it is rich in vitamins and minerals. You'll enjoy vitamin A, vitamin K, and vitamin C, plus minerals like potassium and folate when you eat or drink the celery juice. And you see the celery, it also have an alkalizing effects with minerals like magnesium, iron, sodium. And you see celery, it is good for necessary essential day-to-day body function. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 nice sized apples to this juice. And you see the apple full up of nutrients as well, like vitamin K, potassium, vitamin C, fiber, carbs, calories, and loads more. But you see the apple is good for weight loss. It is also good for our heart health. The apple, it links to lowering the risk of diabetes. It also may promote good bacteria for the gut. It has substance that may prevent cancer. And the apple, it contains a compound that can fight asthma. The apple may also be good for our bone health, and it may even protect our stomach from injury. But you see the apple is very delicious. And you see the bottom line, I try to say, apple is incredibly good for you, and we must eat it because it has links in lowering many major diseases, including diabetes and also cancer. So there you have it. Let's rest that to the side. I put 2 nice sized beetroot in this. I see beetroot, it have many important nutrients. Some of the nutrients them, it have protein, it have fiber, it have vitamin C, it have vitamin B6, manganese, potassium, and loads more. The beetroot, it can also keep our blood pressure under control. It can improve athletic performance. It may also fight inflammation. The beetroot, it can also improve the digestive health. It may also support our brain health. It also may have some form of anti-cancer properties inside it. It can also help us to lose weight. But you see, beetroot is very delicious and it's easy to add to our diet. But the bottom line I try to say, beet provides some impressive health benefits. I must try and get them in our day-to-day eating and drinking. Just like that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to wash it, get rid of the skin and all of them things for it and out of the place, and then I'll get back to you. So here we have it now, people. So what you need to do, you just need to just slice up the beetroot where it can, as I said, fit in the juicer. So there you have it, people. All of the ingredients them ready. So just need to bring the juicer forward. I'm just go up a bit so you can see what I want. Just like that. So now let's just start the process of making that lovely and nice juice. So here we have it, people, all finished. So as I say, if you want, you can drink so, but normally I get my bowl, I'm just strain it off still. So you can just get a bowl and just pass it through the strainer, just like that. Use this wooden spoon and just get a mix. So here you have it, people. Yeah, that's the final product. Looking nice. So we need to do now, just need to put it to the side. Bring back the chopping board so we can put it in a nice glass. So you can have a look and see what I want. Just throwing that goodness inside it now. Yeah. Yeah, that look nice. Just like that. So we need to do now, just put some of the ingredients then beside it. Just to make it look nice, really. Just like that. And just chop some of the celery leaf. Round. So there you have it, people. That is the final product. A juice you can detox your body, it can increase your energy, and it can also work on your skin. But remember, when you blend up all them ingredients together, or you juice them ingredients together, the nutrients them where you get beta carotene, folate acid, vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and many more. And if you make that juice here, just give me a message down below and say, yo, FadaGugs, try that juice there and just let me know how you get on. So if you like the video today, just give me a thumbs up and don't forget to click that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. And as always, remember, share it with your friends, share it with your family, just share it all over. But for now, until next time, FadaGugs is out.